Yes, po, from Arts and Design, HE, ICT, and HUMS. And today po, they'll be presenting to you all the outputs that are related to their big meta concept, no, which is human existence, civilization, and technology. So, feel free po to come. And I think,
are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain.
I can hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Website development. As you can see, we have a mini website here. It's actually my portfolio under development of.
Morning po.
Morning.
Sinag-prepare niya.
Apo.
We're practicing.
Let's go.
21st literature po. So, try to explain. Ano yung ginawa natin?
Welcome to our area, which stands for Empowerment Technologies. And then these are two activities we currently finish this quarter. First activity,
the connection of the subject with the concept. So, in the empowerment technologies,
life situations and issues, may it be environmental, about society, or really personal to us.
the first subject is just parang makakonect sa use, pero it is also a general education purpose. After we created our own
The assigned area to us. So, assigned to us.
so this is our apprenticeship subject. Our task to make artwork.
Topic na
So, ito po yung integrating arts po namin. Artworks dito po is based of our personalities. Like